Welcome, friends. We're here in the conservatory at Ryman Gardens and getting ready for the holiday light show. And you can see some of the things going on around us. There's lots of lights in lots of different places. Well, as you know, certain animals spend a lot of time sleeping in the wintertime. And we have a book today called Bear Snores On, and it's by Karma Wilson, and Jane Chapman is the illustrator. Let's see what happens when Bear goes to sleep. So Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, sleep through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And itty-bitty mouse pitter-patter-tiptoe crawls into the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Can I hear you snore? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," said Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Ooh, popcorn in the winter. Mouse slips, mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare bumps, big burps. Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger said with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters into the great bear's den. Looks like they're having a party, doesn't it? They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up, and a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Well, I hope you have a chance to do some sleeping and to have some fun with friends sometime this winter. Thanks for coming, and I hope to see you here sometime in Ryman Gardens.